Good morning, everyone. We are here to present our group presentation entitled Most Technologically Advanced Hotels in the Philippines. So here are the group members: J.M. Ramos, Daryl Santos, Matthew Sulte, Kimbak Sapra, Andre Malaka, and Jake Patienzo.
Welcome to Conrad Manila. Conrad Manila is a luxurious 5-star hotel located in the Bay City area of Pasay, Metro Manila, Philippines. Opened on June 15, 2016, it is the first Conrad branded hotel in the country, managed by Hilton Worldwide and owned by SM Hotels and Convention Corporation. The hotel is known for its stunning architecture inspired by cruise ships, breathtaking views of Manila Bay, and a range of premium amenities and services. It offers 347 elegantly designed rooms and suites, multiple dining options, and versatile event spaces, making it a popular choice for both business and leisure travelers. Conrad Manila is in Pasay City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Features smart rooms with technology that lets guests control lighting, temperature, and curtains via mobile app or voice commands. The hotels also uses motion sensors and automatically adjust settings, providing a personalized and seamless experience while promoting energy efficiency.
Hi and welcome to Hilton Manila. Hilton Manila is a modern upscale hotel located in the heart of Pasay, Metro Manila, Philippines. And it is open in 2016 until now. And it is a part of the Newport World Resort Complex, offering easy access to the top city's attractions, including the Mall of Asia and the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The hotel features 357 elegantly designed rooms and suites, multiple dining options, and a 24-hour fitness center and outdoor pool. The Hilton Manila is known for its excellent service, state-of-the-art amenities, and convenient location, making it popular choice for both business and leisure travelers. And the location of Hilton Manila is in Newport World Resorts, Pasay City, Manila. And Hilton Manila has a unique technological features such as keyless entry. Guests can use their mobile devices to access their rooms, eliminating the needs for the traditional keys. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay you can use your mobile devices para kahit maiwan nyo yung susi nyo sa loob ng room nyo ay pwede na kayong makapasok kahit wala kayong susi. And also, digital check-ins. The hotel offers a seamless digital check-in process, allowing guests to bypass the front desk and go directly to their rooms. And ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay, yung mga hotel daw po ay nag-o-offer sila ng digital check-in para sa mga guests, para hindi na sila pupunta ng front desk para magtanong ng kung anong kailangan, and dumiretso na lang sila sa kanilang mga rooms.
Manila, also known as The Pen, is a prestigious 5-star luxury hotel located at the corner of Ayala Avenue and Makati Avenue in the heart of Makati, Metro Manila, Philippines. Since its opening in 1976, the iconic hotel has been renowned for its timeless elegance, exceptional service, and prime location. It offers 469 elegantly appointed rooms and suites, world-class dining options, and renowned spa, making it a top choice for discerning travelers and business professionals. The Peninsula Manila is recognized for its outstanding service, refined design, and top-tier facilities. It features 469 rooms and suites tastefully decorated with Filipino art and lavish amenities. The hotel is famous for its signature lobby that includes a grand piano and cascading chandelier, establishing a sophisticated and inviting atmosphere for visitors. One of the notable aspects of the Peninsula Manila is dedicated to highlighting Filipino hospitality and culture. From the friendly service of its employees to the locally influenced design features scattered throughout the hotel, guests are surrounded by genuinely Filipino experience.
The Peninsula Manila. Matatagpuan ang Peninsula Manila sa 1226 Makati Avenue, Makati, Metro Manila. Isang prestigiyoso at magarang hotel na kilala sa world-class na serbisyo at modernong pasilidad. Pero higit pa sa karaniwang luwa, ang Peninsula Manila ay nag-aalok ng mga natatanging teknolohikal na tampok na nagpapadali at nagpapaganda sa inyong karanasan. Isa na rito ang kanilang digital concert. Sa pamamagitan ng isang mobile app, makakatanggap kayo ng personalized na mga rekomendasyon at tulong mula sa Virtual Concert. At para sa inyong walang patid na koneksyon, nagbibigay ang Peninsula Manila ng high-speed Wi-Fi sa buong hotel. Kaya't mananatiling konektado sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay at sa inyong trabaho kahit saan kayo sa hotel.
Welcome to Okada, Manila. Okada, Manila is a premier integrated resort located in Parañaque, Metro Manila, Philippines. It is opened in December 2016 and it spans over 44 hectares and offers a luxurious experience with a wide array of amenities. The resort features a world-class casino, an extensive range of dining options, lavish accommodation, and unique attractions such as fountain. The fountain, which is one of the largest dancing water fountains in the world. Okada is renowned for its opulent design, state-of-the-art facilities, and exceptional service, making it a top destination for both leisure and business travelers. Okada, Manila is a luxurious integrated resort located in Parañaque City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Renowned for its opulent accommodation and startup amenities, the resort boasts unique technological features that enhance the guest experience. Notably, the hotel employs advanced disinfection robot to maintain a clean and hygienic environment in common areas and guest rooms. Additionally, Okada, Manila is known for its technologically advanced room like incorporating smart features such as automated lighting and climate control. Although specific details about this feature are not widely publicized.
Shangri-La at the Port. Manila is a luxurious 5-star hotel situated in Bonifacio Global City, Taguig, Philippines, opened in 2016. This is impressive 250-meter high hotel is LEED Gold certified, emphasizing sustainability. It features 576 contemporary rooms and suites, 97 service apartments, and offer a variety dining option with 8 restaurants and bars. Guests can enjoy extensive recreational facilities at Kerry Sports Manila, the largest indoor lifestyle and leisure club in the city. The hotel also integrates modern technology, including the Shangri-La Circle mobile app for exclusive deals and reservations, along with smart room features that allow guests to control room settings via tablet.